The Memonizer Combi XL is simply plugged into a wall socket. The glow of the blue diode under the Memon logo shows that the socket is live and can be used. If the Memonizer Combi cannot be plugged into the wall socket vertically, the connector can be rotated 360 degrees to bring the Memonizer into the required position. You can use the adjusting screw to adjust the distance between the Memonizer Combi XL and the wall so that a stable and straight position is guaranteed. Once you have found a suitable wall socket and position, remove the protective film from the adhesive ring. Plug the Memonizer Combi into the socket and press the Memonizer firmly onto the socket. That's it. If the blue light is too bright for you, you can peel off the adhesive film from the light stop card and stick it over the Memon logo.